After the last Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra update, I noticed that the zoom on the video only took me to 20 times zoom. I'm pretty sure this was there the whole time, but it's just something that made me scratch my head. I started thinking, if you can go 100 times zoom on a photo, how come I can only go 20 times zoom with video? So I started experimenting and I started playing around with the settings. I discovered what I thought at the time to be maybe a glitch or a loophole, maybe something that Samsung is going to take away from us later down the road. So I really didn't give it much attention. But reports have started coming in all over the internet. What I stumbled upon, others are starting to notice as well. It's a workaround, if you will. Let me show you how to get 100 times zoom on your S20 Ultra and take a video at the same time. Couple caveats to be mindful of. First, to be sure you are locked in on your subject. There's no zooming in or out after you start recording. 2, 100 times zoom doesn't really look that great. So if you really need to get closer to something, you gotta do it the old-fashioned way. Just get up and move your butt. I start off by checking my settings. We have to be careful that we don't have the 108 megapixel lens activated. It will not work, and that only gives you 6 times zoom. We need to use the 12 megapixel lens. Using the 12 megapixel also gives us access to the 48 megapixel telephoto lens, which is what we need to get to where we're going. We need to be in photo mode, not video mode. I know, we're taking a video and you default want to be in the video mode, but not for this. Just follow along. All you have to do is go back into photo mode and zoom in 100 times. Once you're there on your subject, press and hold the shutter button. This will tell the camera to activate the recording feature from inside the photo mode. Now you're recording at 100 times zoom. If you have the S20 Ultra, pause this video, give it a try. Come back, leave me a comment and let me know how it worked. If you don't have the S20 Ultra, what are you waiting for? Leave me a comment and tell me what smartphone you are using and how far can you zoom in on your video. Like I said, you need to have your subject lined up perfectly. The slightest movement at 100 times zoom or even 40 to 60 times zoom will just have you jumping all over the place. So be sure you're lined up correctly because you never know where you're gonna end up. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video or you want to see more like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you know when my videos come out, you can get notified right away and we can keep hanging out together. For the love of tech. Till next time, namaste. Thanks Nomadic Gear for supporting the channel. I'm kind of known for spending a ridiculous amount of money on luggage and high-end backpacks. Then I came across Nomadic bags and I absolutely fell in love with the Nomadic backpack, and now I'm in love with the Nomadic Carry-On Pro. This is a 2-bag-in-1 type of deal and it will not disappoint you. If you're in the market for some new luggage, a messenger bag, or a backpack that's big enough to take on a trip and still carry on the plane, then look no further. Take a moment and check them out. Link is in the description. Don't forget to click on the red sale link at the top of the page. You'll thank me later.